So it's been a while since I've done a giveaway. Thanks to the support of Cisco Press, 3 people are going to win a fantastic prize. One person is going to win a $700 CCNA library, books, training, exam preparation software. Huge prize. One person will win a $700 CCNA library. And 2 people are going to win a $160 CCNP giveaway. Now, not everyone can win. So what Cisco Press have also done is given me some special discount codes. If you use the links below this video and enter the discount code Bombal, you can get up to 50% discount on Cisco Press products. So unfortunately, not everyone can win, but you can get their products at a discount by using the links below this video. I also want to tell you that there are some exciting announcements coming in the next few days. I've got some big announcements to make this week that will hopefully benefit you immensely. I've been thinking about this for a long time. I've been thinking about how can I add more value? In other words, how can I give you more stuff to enhance your life and make your life better? How can I better help you? And after a lot of thought and consideration, I've come up with a plan. So in a few days, I'm going to announce some of the changes that I've made and some of the updates that I've made. Now, as we all know and are currently experiencing, things in life don't always work out as we hope. Life throws curveballs at us. I'm currently so-called stranded in South Africa. My flights back to the UK were cancelled. I'm currently in lockdown, so South Africa have a 21-day lockdown. We're in the middle of that. We're not allowed to leave the house, as I'm sure a lot of you are, except to get groceries and perhaps medical supplies. But I'm making the most of my time. So during this time, I want to make some big announcements that will hopefully help you in your studies and in your career. So during these dark times, let's try and help one another. Let's try and benefit others. So I've got some important announcements to make later this week. I haven't ran as many giveaways this year as I had hoped. I've had some personal issues that I've had to deal with, some health issues. I've also obviously got to deal with this big issue of the coronavirus and things changing in the world. But I'm hoping that I can once again spin things up again and start doing more giveaways and doing other exciting things. Okay, I've spoken enough. Let's get started. Now, I've been asked multiple times, David, which CCNA course should I purchase? You've got multiple courses on Udemy and other places that look very much the same. So let me just explain why I've done that. In the past, we had an ICND1 course and a ICND2 course. I also had a Packet Tracer Labs course, and I also had a complete networking fundamentals course on Udemy as an example. That was based on the old CCNA content and some basic networking principles. Now, to make it fair for everyone, I updated both the ICND1 course and the ICND2 course to the new CCNA content. I've also updated my Networking Fundamentals course to include the content in the CCNA course. That means that anyone who purchased my ICND1 course or my ICND2 course get a free upgrade to the new CCNA 200-301 exam content. So if you had purchased my ICND1 course, let's say a few months ago, you get a free upgrade to the new CCNA content. So hence the duplication. It's because anyone who's purchased one of those courses in the past gets a free upgrade to the new CCNA course. Now, if you haven't purchased one of my CCNA courses, use the links below this video to get my courses at a discount. Now, I must warn you, Udemy are limiting coupon codes. I can't give coupon codes out like I used to in the past. So if you want the best discount, then use the David Bombal link below this video because I can control the discounts on that website, but I can't control the coupon codes and the discounts available on Udemy. So feel free to use the Udemy link. The link will give you a discount, but Udemy do limit the amount of time that that discount is available. Or use the David Bombal link below, which doesn't time out, or the GNS3 link if you prefer. So once again, just to clear up the confusion, I have multiple CCNA courses because people who have purchased courses from me in the past get a free upgrade. So anyone who purchased ICND1 or ICND2 get the new CCNA course for free. If you haven't purchased my CCNA course, then again, use the links below this video to get my course at a discount. Okay, but let's get to the giveaway. Cisco Press have once again sponsored a fantastic prize, $700 giveaway for CCNA and 2 times $160 for CCMP. Okay, so what do you get as part of the CCNA prize? Well, firstly, you get the CCNA 200-301 Foundations live lessons. This is recorded by Kevin Wallace. I've actually teamed up with Kevin Wallace. So spoiler alert, one of the things that you will benefit from is Kevin Wallace's training. So not only with this prize, but also in the upcoming announcement. So the first part of the CCNA prize is the CCNA 200-301 Foundations live lessons. You also get the CCNA 200-301 official cert guide, premium edition ebook and practice test. So you'll get all the content that you need for the CCNA course. The official cert guides written by Wendell Odom are fantastic, lots of detail, more than enough information to pass the exam, but you also get the practice tests so that you can prepare for the exam. In addition, you get the portable command guide, as well as the ebook 31 days before your CCNA exam, a day-by-day review guide for the certification exam. And lastly, but not least, you get Kevin Wallace's complete video course and practice test. So massive prize. Really want to thank Cisco Press for sponsoring this giveaway. $700 worth of video courses, ebooks, practice exams to help you pass your CCNA exam. So if you want to win the CCNA giveaway, use this link to enter. One person will win the $700 prize. But I've been asked this many times on YouTube. David, where's CCMP content? I want CCMP prizes and CCMP content. So here we go. 2 people will win the CCNP Enterprise Learning Library. This is worth $160. You get the Encore 350-401 official cert guide, ebook, and practice test so that you can prepare for either your CCNP or CCIE exam. You also get the Enterprise Advanced Routing official cert guide and practice test, as well as the Routing Portable Command Guide for both the Encore and NRC exams. So again, this is sponsored by Cisco Press. 2 people will win this prize valued at $160. Use this link if you want to enter to win one of these CCMP giveaways. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and please click on the bell to get notifications. I'm David Bombal and I want to wish you all the very best.